Hey everybody, Chris again at Ujoint. Putting the final touches on this New Jersey-based 6-liter. It's a 2006 E350 6.0 diesel. It's got our 6-inch kit on 35s. One with a stage 2 front axle, 456 gears, Detroit True Track, standard stage 2 offering. More info on our website. Custom spec springs front and rear. Customer wanted the dual shock upgrade, so we cut off the coil buckets and added our dual shock tower. Turned out super nice. Got some Fox 2.0 res shocks there. There's an upper track bar mount, crossover steering, all the usual goodies. The wheels are from Black Rhino, and the tires are from Mickey Thompson, Baja Boss, in a 315/70/17. So a little less than a 35. Took the transmission, did not take the transmission out, sorry. Converted to four-wheel drive in the van, added a NV271 behind that, shortened the fuel tank, 1350 CV drive shafts front and rear. We're in the stock semi-float Dana 60 out back with an aux locker. Also got the res shocks in the rear. You can see our dual res shock mount up top there to the cross member. And we've got our overload airbags. 456 gears. This thing's ready to go. So I think the customer's in the middle of an interior swap, so I'm sure he's gonna be happy to get it home and get all that finished up. So got any questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email, chris@ujointoffroad.com. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We post daily shop updates on our Instagram page and our stories. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.